Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a homepage in WordPress with Elementor. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see right here, we're on the website section. All you have to do is go to the plugins, and then from the plugins right here, you're going to search for Elementor. Once you find it, you're going to go to the Elementor section right here, and you're going to click on Upgrade and Activate. And so from here, if you are on the free plan, then you're going to have to activate so you can have it. And so you're going to have to upgrade. But if you're already on a business plan, you should be settled. Next step is that once you are done with this one, you're going to go to the plugins that you have already installed and make sure that Elementor is fully enabled. And now once those two are done, you're going to go to this website, which I'm going to leave the first link in the description, which is giving you a detailed description on the homepage stuff from Elementor themselves. And so there's a video that is giving it for you fully, and in the instructions that you can see all the way in the bottom, and it gives you step by step for everything. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.